Woo! Righto guys, Landcruiser Park with Cole. Let's go. Not good, Jesse.
You're on time or do you want a spot?
Might need a bit of a spot.
Yeah, coming.
So first of all, welcome back to another episode. Today, we're driving Cole out at Landcruiser Park. If you don't know where Landcruiser Park is, I don't know what you're doing, because Landcruiser Park is one of the best campsites ever that I've ever been to, but it's so cool. There's tracks everywhere. So right now is the next morning of what you guys are about to watch, but yesterday we just smashed some tracks out. I just filmed heaps of driving and I didn't really film too much talking, but I want you guys to watch it anyway because Cole just performed extremely well. The damage report is that I did lose mud flap. We tore that bad boy off. I did actually plan on like chaining them back, but I never got around to it, so you know, it is what it is. I'll put that back on. I think I can save it. Cole is performing extremely well, especially for the suspension setup that's in it. If you guys don't know, the suspension setup is pretty well clapped out. There's hardly any down travel in the back. And the front, let's not talk about the front because it's pretty bad as well. But I cannot wait to get Superior's gear under here. It's going to be an animal when that happens. And it's literally like I'm pushing up some pretty hard tracks and it's doing so well even with this setup. So imagine what it's going to do with the new setup. But yeah, enough talking. You guys are about to watch this in Landcruiser Park, make little babies. How was that?
Oh yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. So we're camping out here for the Triple S Winch Truck Challenge. Some of the boys I'm with. We got Bailey in the big and loud 79 series. We got Ryan in his sleek looking Dmax. We got Jesse in a Landcruiser Prado. We got Campbell in a twin-locked 80 series. And of course we've got me and Alicia into patrol, and we've got a couple other boys behind the lens. Lockers. There you go, lockers on. Look at the difference. Oh, not a bad line, mate. Alright guys, Cole's performing extremely well, especially for the suspension setup that's in it. Unfortunately, Superior suspension hasn't come through in time for this trip, but hopefully next time we're dropping some coils out. This is Play Hills that we just drove, so now we're about to go and drive a track. It's extremely hot today, I'm sweating so much, but absolutely loving it. The car drives phenomenally. I will keep you updated, but I think we're gonna go drive a track. So we're about to go drive Prado Trail because Landcruiser Park has hundreds and hundreds of trails, so it's so cool. And you just pick one and you drive it. And have a look at this. Just 2 seconds from where we just were.
Can't see it because it's so dusty.
Hang on, mate. Look at that, that's a feature.
I saw that.
There's a bit of mud on it. This cow out, so I'm pretty sure, don't 100% quote me, but I'm pretty sure this is still a running cattle station out at Landcruiser Park, so you get to see these cool boys. Moo!
Yeah, no, it wasn't a bad drive by the young bloke. He's done it right. He's really worked with the suspension. Really got articulating very well, and you know, he made that look very easy. I'm very proud of him.
The damage report on Jesse's car. Not good, Jesse.
That happens every time, man.
You broke your car.
Yeah, that happens every time.
We'll push back in. No, those clips of that clip is. Oh!
Oi! Mousetrap. No, it'll be alright. Bit of Sikaflex, mate.
Yeah, bogger up.
Now it's just an excuse to chop it into a ute, mate.
This track is sick. Landcruiser Park's sick. Having so much fun, but I think we're gonna go get some lunch now, so see you back at camp. Right, so this is our camp behind me. That's everyone sitting over there. These are what I'm calling the locals. Jesse's gonna have a crack at the hill that I just had a crack on, and this is it here. Pretty rutted out, nice little section. I had to go second gear, so let's see what the old Prado can do. This Prado's actually pretty capable, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna stand about here. Hopefully he can make it up, because I've got a bet on this one. First crack of the day.
Yeah, mate.
Let's go. Foot flat, eh? This thing sounds very nasty. Gonna be a good show.
Only just cleaned my camera, mate.
That was sick. Well done, Bailey. We've got Campbell in the twin locked 80. Back into the smoke, mate. See the difference lockers make instantly. Just crawled up it with the lockers on. Jesse, how did you drive that?
You went in the rut, I sort of went out of the middle of the old street.
I was trying to go in it though.
Yeah, where?
Oh yeah, it was a good drive. Excuse me, this is my car.
Is it? Not anymore. Pass now.
We've just come off Diaper Road, past Telecom Hill. We've turned left onto Yieldburn Road. Then we've turned left onto Rav Ridge. We'll just come up through here for a bit. We'll go up this yellow hill, turn right onto Prado Parade, up another one, down another one. We'll end up hopefully in the rainforest if it's open.
Papa!
That's nuts that they even make tyre carriers for it, yeah.
Bloody Porsche, eh?
I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 764, though. Working on nothing anymore, though. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 764, though. Working on.
You're right, keep going.
I'm sliding, eh?
No, you're right, keep going.
How far back can I keep going?
Keep going just a little bit. Go slow, because you'll slide. Straighten your wheels up.
Might have a go trying to go up that way.
Into it.
Time to have a crack. Steep as. First gear, low range. We've got two options here, right or left. Left is easy, right looks hard. Staying on the right track, baby!
You got sure this track is fucking ready. Bro, that is gnarly shit. I might be now, I gotta walk all the way down this hill now. Down's a lot easier, mate. You right, Tom, or do you want a spot?
Might need a bit of a spot.
Yeah, coming.
Am I in a good spot to take off?
Yeah, you're not bad, you're pretty level. To me it looks like you want to hug this bank.
I might try it, eh?
If you could get back another car length, that'd be sick, because then it's not much of a rut where your front wheel is now.
Oh,
if you could really get up on it. Just ease it back though, if you don't feel comfortable.
Over right there, you should be able to try and get up right, because there's not much of a rut on this side. Just try and hug that right hand bank. Keep that momentum. Stay in it.
How did that feel?
Good. That was scary. It doesn't show on camera at all how steep stuff is. Like, trust me, guys. I know every other content creator says it because it's annoying. We film this stuff and it does not look scary, but whew, I'm scared. Just a bit steep.
It's a steep boy.
Very steep territory around here. Makes for a good pooey undie, so all goods. Make sure you bring a couple spares, you'll be fine. I'm gonna flex up on this rock because Jesse told me to, and flex photos. Sick! If you're not following the Instagram to see these photos, at Rome Life on Instagram, and you'll be able to see these photos as soon as I upload them. It is true, they do have smaller dips. We're down the hill, through the forest, whole bunch of cows around. Yeah, so back to camp I think. It's been a really good trip so far. So we've got a couple more obstacles to get out, so might be a little bit more forward driving. Car's filthy. Haven't had a shower in 2 days. This is camping, Barry. Right, this is going to be the last hill climb of the day, I think. But she's pretty rutted out. We've got a big tree root there, so you know, should be pretty fun. I reckon I'll be able to get up it though, as long as I can get up that tree root.
Try hit that right side. Come back a bit. Keep coming. Yep. From there.
Alright, awesome weekend out at Cruiser, so thank you all so much for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you want to see more coal, make sure you do subscribe, and we'll catch you later, eh?
Can you redo that one?
No, I'm not redoing that.
Please
That's
do.
100% the exit.
Please do. I don't want to be in.
Nah, mate, you're alright.
I'ma wake up.